Low thyroid function is in almost epidemic proportions in the United States. It's estimated that possibly as many as 60 million Americans are suffering from low thyroid and low metabolic function. The medical approach is to replace hormones of the thyroid and restore the body to normal functionality. In acute situations, this is a very good approach and absolutely necessary. But many low thyroid patients are not truly in need of hormone replacement yet and can actually restore some or all of thyroid function naturally by supplementing the correct nutritional deficiencies that have led to the condition in the first place. If you'd like to know more about nutrition response testing, low thyroid function, and what it might do for you, visit our website at michaelformandom.com.